So in this video, I would like to show you how we can scan a sample. This can be either for slide or well plate. It can be even for petri-dish, or depends on the type of sample. You can use different scanning modes here. The scanning software can be used for our inverted or upright microscope, which has motorized XYZ stage. As you can see here, the software is very easy. It has very simple interface. It has only two tabs, view and scan mode. And also at the top you can see we have file, camera, and configuration tabs. In the file you can open or save the image. In the camera we have camera configuration. We will look at it in a second. And the configuration, we can see stage control, basically to be able to look at a couple of parameters for XYZ stage. In the view, we have basically the full view of our sample, and in the scan mode, we can do several types of scanning. So before starting, I will show you three modes here, and I will review one by one. So Stage Pro is basically for scanning a slide or sample which is large and you like to scan fully and put all of the images together. The in-order scan can do the similar job, but you will use it for a known number of tiles you define, and you can also define the moving step size. In the second and the third one, we will have point scan.